The Apple leaker Ming-Chi Kuo has actually released a hint of the new foldable iPhone that is coming out soon. It's going to be at least from what he claims, it's going to be around an 8-inch foldable phone that is going to launch in 2 years' time, 2023. And it will be Apple's first foldable phone. From what he claims, they are currently working on it. They want it to be a lot better than what's already existing on the market before releasing it. So the guy claims that the screen itself would come with an 8-inch quad HD flexible OLED panel. So the the guy also says that Apple is looking to sell around 15 to 20 million of this foldable device when they launch in 2 years' time, as if they launch it in 2 years' time. Now, the product, they want to build it in such a way that it wouldn't have that, how will I put it, the wear and tear and the durability of most foldable devices are pathetic. So they want to work on it so that even if it goes through a bend test or something serious, it would survive. I don't know how that would look like in 2 years' time. We have to wait and see whether it's built to perfection, but they are working on it to be good overall. I have to wait and see what ends up being the case with this, but currently it's still a rumor. There is no spec that has been released. There is no sneak peek to the device. It's something that they are still working on right now. I will keep an eye out for it. If there are news coming out about it that you have to know, I will make sure I try to report on that as I can. So all you gotta do right now is to follow us here on our YouTube channel, do subscribe, like our content, follow our social media. I'm going to see you guys next time.